With Ethereum recently brushing new all-time highs and ETFs pulling in record-breaking $1 billion in a single day, there has never been a better time to understand what makes this blockchain so special. Welcome back to the SwapSpace channel, your go-to spot for all things crypto, blockchain, and everything in between. Today, we're plunging to the depths of one of the most revolutionary cryptocurrencies of our time, Ethereum. I'll try my best to walk you through everything you need to know about Ethereum from its humble beginnings to its bright future. So grab your favorite beverage, hit that subscribe button and bell icon, and let's explore why Ethereum isn't just another cryptocurrency, but the foundation of the decentralized future.
It is.
Let's start with the basics. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's a revolutionary blockchain platform that goes far beyond simple digital money. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold, a store of value. Ethereum, on the other hand, is like a giant decentralized computer that anyone in the world can use.
Anyone?
At its core, Ethereum is a blockchain platform that enables smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into the code. These smart contracts automatically execute when predetermined conditions are met, without needing a middleman like a bank or a lawyer.
Our assets into Ethereum.
The native cryptocurrency of Ethereum network is called Ether. Or ETH. While people often use Ethereum and Ether interchangeably, technically Ethereum is the platform and Ether is the fuel that powers it. Every transaction, every smart contract execution, and every decentralized application running on Ethereum requires ETH to pay for gas fees, the computational energy needed to process these operations.
Are those bugs?
What makes Ethereum truly special is its programmability. Developers can build entire applications on top of it, from decentralized finance protocols to non-fungible tokens, from decentralized autonomous organizations to complex trading systems. It's like having an unstoppable, censorship-resistant computer that never goes down. Now, before Bitcoin maximalists come for me in the comments, let me be clear. Bitcoin and Ethereum serve different purposes, and both are valuable. But when it comes to functionality and real-world applications, Ethereum has some significant advantages, like smart contract capability. While Bitcoin is primarily a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, Ethereum is a programmable blockchain, as I mentioned previously. While Bitcoin can handle simple transactions, Ethereum can execute complex smart contracts that can automate entire business processes. Here's an example. Imagine automatically paying rent when certain conditions are met, or creating insurance policies that pay out instantly when specific events occur. That's the power of Ethereum. Also, faster transactions. Bitcoin processes about 7 transactions per second, with confirmation times averaging 10 minutes. Ethereum, even before its major upgrades, processes about 15 transactions per second with much faster confirmation times. With Layer 2 solutions and the ongoing improvements, Ethereum's scalability continues to improve dramatically, predicting speeds of thousands of transactions per second in Ethereum's Surge roadmap. There's a huge development ecosystem too. Ethereum has the largest developer community in crypto. The Ethereum virtual machine has become the standard for smart contract development, with thousands of developers building innovative applications daily. This network effect creates a virtuous cycle. More developers means more applications, which attract more users and more developers.
We need more programmers and we need more money.
And we can't forget real-world utility. While Bitcoin is primarily used as a store of value or digital gold, Ethereum powers an entire ecosystem. DeFi protocols with billions in total value locked, NFT marketplaces, decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, gaming applications, the list goes on. Ethereum isn't just held, it's actively used. Think of it as an equivalent to Apple, without their overpriced charging cables, but in the world of crypto.
You have to have an iPhone to track an iPhone.
Ethereum is full of innovation and upgrades. Bitcoin's conservative approach to changes means it evolves slowly. Okay, it is hard not to compare Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum embraces innovation, or should I say Vitalik does, and the entire community with him, constantly upgrading and improving. The transition from proof of work to proof of stake, while it was met with a certain resistance, is just one example of Ethereum's willingness to evolve for the better.
Way better, way better.
Here's where many newcomers get confused. When people say Ethereum is cheaper than Bitcoin, they're usually referring to the price of the coin. As of our recording, Bitcoin trades around $100,000 plus per coin.
Best guess. I don't know, $100,000.
While Ethereum recently traded around $4,000 per coin.
All right, 4,000.
But this comparison is like saying a slice of pizza is cheaper than the whole pizza. It doesn't tell the whole story.
Just give me a slice, I'm really hungry.
Bitcoin is limited, hence why its scarcity and a plethora of other reasons like ETF approvals give its price a big surge. Watch our video on that topic by clicking the link above. In short, total supply matters. Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins, with about 19.7 million already minted,
Almost 20.
and about 1 million plus sits in institutional pockets. Ethereum, on the other hand, has no hard cap, though it has become deflationary since the London hard fork, which burns ETH with every transaction. Currently, there are about 120 million ETH in circulation. Market capitalization is a more practical and real comparison. The total value of all coins in circulation for Bitcoin's market cap is around 2.2 trillion, while Ethereum's is around 550 billion as the start of September. This means Bitcoin is still the larger network by total value, even though individual coins cost less for Ethereum.
Bitcoin.
Another benefit is fractional ownership. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are divisible. You don't need to buy a whole coin. You can buy $100 worth of either cryptocurrency. The cheaper price per coin of Ethereum might seem more accessible psychologically, but mathematically, it makes no difference for small investors.
Tomato, tomato.
The immense growth potential of Ethereum has a place too, as some argue that Ethereum's lower price gives it more room for growth. If Ethereum reaches Bitcoin's current market cap, ETH would be trading around $10,000 per coin. Of course, this is speculation, but it illustrates why price per coin alone doesn't determine investment potential. The key takeaway: don't get caught in the price per coin. Focus on the technology, adoption, and long-term potential of the network.
Sounds easy enough.
From day one, Ethereum was designed to evolve. Oh, and there was that one time when Vitalik sold 30,000 ETH, approximately 138 million as of today, for around $1 million back in 2016. Whether that was a good decision or not, you can decide for yourself by watching me break the situation down in another video. Click the link above. Now, one of the most significant events in Ethereum's history and arguably in all of cryptocurrency was the merge. This was Ethereum's transition from proof of work to proof of stake, completed on September 15th, 2022. Let me break down why this was such a big deal and why you, even though you might not know it, benefit from the merge to this day. Originally, Ethereum used the same consensus mechanism as Bitcoin, proof of work. And in proof of work, miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles using powerful computers. The first to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block and earns the reward. This system is secure but incredibly energy intensive.
Inefficient, however.
Ethereum's proof of work system consumed as much electricity as the entire country of Finland. And if you're interested in proof of work, watch the video we made about Bitcoin and the tech behind it. But for now, let's stick to the short breakdown. Beyond environmental concerns, proof of work had scalability issues. The network could process only about 15 transactions per second.
It's that slow.
And during high demand, gas fees would skyrocket. There were also concerns about mining centralization, which is an entirely different topic of its own, as large mining pools controlled significant portions of the network. Like this video if you want me to make a video on that topic.
Right? Just a like, no comment.
Now, in proof of stake, instead of miners competing with computational power, validators are chosen to create new blocks based on the amount of ETH they stake or lock up as collateral. To become a validator, you need to stake 32 ETH, about $140,000 at current prices.
That's a lot.
Yeah, ETH mining is not readily accessible for everyone, but there is a purpose to that. If validators act maliciously, they lose part of their staked ETH, a powerful incentive to play by the rules. Repeat offenses are also an incentive to slashing even more of their staked ETH, and this facilitates the best behavior on the market, period.
We'll be on our best behavior.
Here's something you can't lose, however. The SwapSpace channel giveaway. You can win $20 for watching this video. To enter the giveaway, like this video, comment what you think is the most important part of Ethereum history, and subscribe for more videos and giveaways like this. Good luck. And that's the foundation of Ethereum. From a teenager's vision to a revolutionary platform that's changing how we think about money, contracts, and digital ownership. We've explored what makes Ethereum unique, how it compares to Bitcoin, and the historic transition that made it one of the most environmentally friendly blockchains.
Greatest of all time.
The journey from Vitalik's white paper to the merge shows us that Ethereum isn't just about technology, it's about continuous evolution and improvement. What excites you the most about Ethereum's technology? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we'll dive deep into Ethereum's price action, market dynamics, and what the future holds for the world's computer. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.